Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit or delete a chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so first let's see how to edit a Google Sheets chart. So as you can see, we have this nice donut chart here, and let's say we want to edit it. So how we can do this? Of course, if you change the data in the data set, that will edit the chart because it's linked to this data set. So of course this is one way to edit the chart. But if you want to customize the chart, then you have two options. So basically you can go to the chart, and as you can see, in that case the three dots will appear here, where you can click on that and you will see the edit chart options here, which will open up the chart editor. And an even quicker way to open up the chart editor is to double click on the chart, which will right away open up the chart editor, where you can change the chart type to basically any chart type you have here. You can change how the values and label appear on the chart, and you can also customize the chart title, the chart subtitle, the axis title, and you can also change the visual formatting of the chart. So you have a ton of options here. So you can change the grid lines and ticks, the horizontal axes, the legends, the series, the colors, and everything else. But let's say you just want to remove this chart. In that case, what you have to do is select the chart you want to remove. Of course, you can use the delete keyboard, but if you want to use your cursor or you are in a mobile, what you can do is go again to the three dots, and you're going to be able to click on delete chart here, and then the chart is deleted from your Google Sheets spreadsheet. So now this is how to delete or edit a chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.